Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about levels of measurement. So there are basically three levels of measurement, and these are immensely important for you to understand because for any advanced statistical modeling you need to appropriately choose the right model. So in order to do that you need an understanding of statistical measurements, levels of measurement, right? So there are three measurements. Nominal level. So nominal comes from the word name. So for example, gender, male and female. So this variable has male and female or any other category. So these are basically also called categorical variable because these are category. So male and female, just the names. And then ordinal level is something that has an order. Okay, so that can be ordered or ranked. For example, educational attainment, high school diploma, bachelor's degree, master's degree. So they range from high to low or low to high. So therefore they can be ranked or they can be in order. So high order to low order or low order to high order. So since there is an order, that's why it's called ordinal level. And then interval ratio level, this is the purely quantitative levels of measurement. For example, temperature or income or IQ scores. All these are basically quantitative numbers, and this is purely quantitative variable. So these are three levels of measurement. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching my video.